I goedlan y parc am yr aildro'r penwythnos yma, lle croesawodd merched Aber Llansawel ym mhedwaredd rownd gemau cwpan y Gynghrair. Aberystwyth gafodd y cyfle cyntaf drwy ergyd Caryl Evans. Gyda hanner awr wedi chwarae, daeth cyfle eiraidd I Llansawel a Lowry Baker. Ond yr ergyd yn cael ei rwystro'n ardderchog gan Flavia Jenkins. Daeth cyfle cyntaf ail hanner I Aber. Libby Isaac yn ffeindio ei hun yn rhydd, ond I hergyd nerthol yn gwibio dros y bar. Cafodd Kelly Thomas hanner cyfle wrth benio'r bel o gill gornel, ond dyna fu cyfleodd gorau'r gêm. Di sgôr felly ar bnawn oer yn Aberystwyth.
Oedd hi'n gêm rhyfedd I fod yn onest. Ath y dau tîm amddiffyn yn dda, dwi'n meddwl. 0-0, so oedd o'n dangos bod amddiffyn yn dda. Ac yna ddim llawer o cyfleon yn y gêm, really. Athyn ni'n testio'r keeper digon. So dwi'n meddwl pwynt yn dda i'r ddau tîm I fod yn onest.
Yeah, we're happy with the result because it's the first result we've had this season, but also a bit frustrated. You know, we had a few half chances. They had a few half chances, which both teams didn't take. So overall, I think it's just a bit of a frustrating day, but a draw's a draw. You know, we take it into next week now, into the next round of the Cup, which is going to be an important round. And, you know, hopefully we can perform again next week. Basically, we've just been looking at getting good performances over the last few weeks because we've had a tough last few games. So from a coaching perspective, I'm really thrilled with the girls' mentality and their approach to the games the last couple of weeks.